Guys, welcome to the Verywell FOOD. Natalia M. Ferris is the author of the book. She is a passionate home chef, culinary educator, and author dedicated to helping cooks of all skill levels find joy and confidence in the kitchen. Do you know about cooking? Let's see. We've prepared 30 questions from this book and you have only 10 seconds to guess the correct answer. Are you ready for this challenge? Before starting, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. What is the recommended headspace to leave when filling mason jars with soup? Why is it important to leave headspace in mason jars when freezing soup? Which type of mason jar is best for freezing soup? What should you avoid adding to soup before freezing? How should you prepare mason jars before filling them with soup for freezing? What is the maximum recommended time to store soup in the freezer? How should you cool soup before transferring it to mason jars for freezing? Why should you avoid over-tightening the lids on mason jars before freezing? What is a safe method to thaw frozen soup in mason jars? Why should you avoid sudden temperature changes with frozen mason jars? Can you freeze cream-based soups in mason jars? What is the purpose of using wide-mouth jars for freezing soup? Should you freeze soup with pasta or rice already added? How full should you fill mason jars with soup before freezing? What is the risk of not leaving enough headspace when freezing soup in mason jars? Is it necessary to label mason jars before freezing soup? Can you freeze hot soup directly in mason jars? What is the recommended way to reheat thawed soup from mason jars? Why should you avoid filling mason jars too full when freezing soup? What type of lid is recommended for mason jars used in freezing? How many answers did you guess easily? Drop your answer in the comments section, subscribe for more cooking tips. Thanks for watching.